This is the Burgerman from Edge 105 FM. Ho ho ho! I said ho ho ho. Yeah, that's a back road. Big up on yourself. Alright, my top 10 Christmas song. I don't know if I can go 10. Chronics. Santa Claus. Do you ever come to the ghetto?
Do you ever come to the ghettos? Santa Claus. Do you ever wonder why we suffer so?
Come to the ghetto. It's a remake from Colin Davis. And then my cousin, please don't tell anybody, Chris Brown. Yeah, man. That boy there. This Christmas.
This Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas.
You have to go Stevie Wonder, you know, because when he came to Jamaica back then and we had dinner together over my house, it was an experience. Stevie Wonder, Christmas time.
Christmas time, and its magic is here. It's Christmas time.
Christmas time, man. That's the Jackson 5. Christmas too.
Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day.
Mariah Carey, that girlie, Jaja, she have a voice there. Mariah Carey.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the present. Only need the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking.
Some of the Jamaican artists have been starting to go with some reggae vibes. You know, Taurus Riley.
Christmas list. If you want, give me a Christmas gift. Tell about this and make me tell about this. All I want for Christmas is to stay alive. Can't take the sound them of the 45. All I want for Christmas is to stay alive. Well, I health and strength more alive.
Busy signal. Them do
Step on the first day of Christmas, a life man a pre too much innocent at the damn berry. Upon the second day of Christmas, this is when me see be a thief down a town half a tree.
Carla Thomas. What are them song, eh? Gee-whiz. Gee-whiz is Christmas.
Gee whiz, it's Christmas. I'm wishing you a have a merry Christmas.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Now leave out Boney M out there. When Christ was born on them something.
For a spell or two, no one seems forlorn. This comes to pass when a child is born.
Was born on them something. Now go wait on how much we got? About 15 we got. Big up on yourself. Merry Christmas. And be able to yourself, yeah? Watch this. Watch the